How do I unblock my dishwasher pump? If your dishwasher pump is blocked, wastewater cannot be pumped out of the appliance. You will need to take out the bottom basket, move the spray arm and remove the filter unit in order to access the pump. Carefully twist the cylindrical top and lift the filter unit away. You may wish to use protective gloves when removing the residual water from the pump area. This is done with a sponge. Soak up the water and gradually ladle it out. When you have removed the water, it is essential to wear protective gloves when placing your fingers in the pump area, as broken glass fragments can collect here. With a spoon, prise off the pump cover. Then grip the cover by the lug and pull it upwards until it resists. Then pull forwards. You can check your instruction manual for full guidance. Check the pump and remove any foreign objects, making sure the pump impeller can move freely. Again, be careful as you may find sharp objects. Then, replace the pump cover and make sure it engages correctly back into position until it clicks. The pump covers on some models can be removed by using a manual screwdriver. Please never use an electric one. Any obstruction should then be removed in the same way. When finished, place the filter back into position, making sure the arrows line up as shown, to lock it back into position. Replace the basket and your dishwasher is then ready for use. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.